Mastering politeness in English. Thank you in advance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the intricacies of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very common yet courteous phrase that you might encounter in both written and spoken English. Thank you in advance. This phrase is a powerful tool in expressing gratitude before the assistance has been provided. Stick around as we break down its meaning, usage, and some important nuances to help you communicate more effectively and politely in English. Thank you in advance is a phrase used to express gratitude to someone before they have completed a task or favor. It implies that you are confident and appreciative of the other person's help or service, even before it's been rendered. This phrase is particularly common in emails, letters, and situational requests where you are asking for someone's assistance or expecting a favor. The key here is the anticipation of a positive response or action from the other person. By thanking them in advance, you're not only showing your appreciation but also subtly encouraging them to follow through with the assistance you're seeking. In professional settings. In professional contexts, such as emails or formal requests, thank you in advance can help convey respect and polite anticipation. It's often used at the end of a request to signify that you value the recipient's time and effort. However, it's crucial to gauge the tone and relationship you have with the person. In some cases, overly formal expressions might seem impersonal or presumptuous. In personal interactions. While less common in casual, everyday conversations, saying, "Thank you in advance," in a personal context can still be appropriate, especially when making plans or asking for a favor from friends or family. It shows consideration and gratitude for their willingness to help. It's important to note that the perception of "thank you in advance" can vary across different cultures. In some contexts, it might be seen as assuming or taking for granted that the person will comply. To navigate these nuances, consider alternatives or follow-ups that can soften the request or express genuine appreciation. "I would really appreciate your help with this. Thanks so much for considering my request. Looking forward to your response or assistance." These variations can convey a similar level of gratitude while being more sensitive to the recipient's autonomy and willingness to help. Thank you in advance is a versatile phrase that, when used appropriately, can enhance your communication by adding a layer of politeness and appreciation. Remember to consider the context, your relationship with the person, and cultural nuances when using this phrase. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of how to use "thank you in advance" effectively in your English communications. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.